Hey y'all, I'm here in the crew galley because today we have something super interesting happening. We have Master Chef MGE. So what's gonna happen is there are gonna be some teams that are doing several things.
We have the street food, we have the cookie bake-off, and we have the specialty drinks.
All ready? Yeah! Let's go! Avocado? I don't know, something like this.
You know, so it's 5 minutes to go and people are scrambling. You know what I mean? It's like, oh no, where's the fish? Oh no, where's the potatoes? And it's just like everyone has to like throw it in and make sure that they get it all on the plate. This is a mixture of some different...
For green onion, a bit of cucumber to give it a bit of crunch.
Typical Malaysian street food.
Apple and sour cream on top.
Today I played the role of one of the judges. The criteria was different for each category, but it basically was presentation, how it looked, how it tasted, how much creativity they used, how well they used the special ingredients.
So each one that you tried were very different. We had some very spicy, a lot of flavor, others a little less flavor, but very, very good.
This is the 2025 African Mercy Master Chef Cookie Bake Off Award.
We just opened the arepa to fill it with the tinga, which was the chicken with meat and chipotle sauce. And also we did a special sauce that it's called wasakaka, which is made of avocado. And we put also there the secret ingredient, which was the fish, the smoked fish.
I'm so glad, I'm so happy, I'm so proud of representing my country.
Doing things like Master Chef is just a great way to build atmosphere, build community, builds relationships and builds fellowship. If you like cooking, try new flavors, try new ingredients, and just taste more food.